Okay, now we are looking at the telescope application and we are receiving some data to the Kadira Debug UI. So let's try to analyze the what's happening on this time on the my telescope application. Uh, on this side I can see the event stream. Event stream is a place we can see all the events happening in my application. These events are something like route changes, subscription and methods call, and the messages, DDP messages received from your server, and also the events like clicks and on select events kind of thing. And then we have client activities. The client activities are the place that shows the actually what's happening inside your browser. That means all the activities done by Blaze. So we have view creation and view destructions. So this happens when we are creating templates and when you are destroying templates. These are not only templates but all the if, each and all the other elements also counted to these two. And then we have DOM creation and DOM destruction, same like this one, but actually when we are creating DOM. And then we have helpers, auto runs, and view renders as well. Okay, now let's try to understand this event stream and find out what's really happened at some of this time. So let's click on this time. So now this time we have spent like over 900 milliseconds on rendering stuff and creation and all the stuff, right? So that's something very important, because from the 1000 millisecond for that seconds we have done a lot of things in the browser activities. So let's see a lot of things happen. So here, so we see like a lot of DOM view destructions. That means when views are destroying, and that's take a lot of time. So let's see what's the route. And actually I'm trying to move from the earlier I was in the route slash, and now I'm going to the individual for post. And that time, so I see a lot of view destruction. I can click show all and find out what are those things like mostly I can see my post list controller. That means my list of posts is destroying. So that's where all the time spent on. Okay, and then I can click something else. You can see, all right, when you're clicking here you can see here DOM creation. So what's this route? Actually I'm going to the home page, and you can see there are some of DOM creation for the each and couple of things for the icons and so on. So that's the basic way you can how you can use Kadira Debug UI and try to understand what's happening inside your client side and also the server side. What are the subscriptions and so on going here and there. Okay, and then I'm going to show you some very important tool. This is called session selector. So right now we are connected to the port 5001 and 1, but there may be a couple of tabs open at the same time doing experiment on your local machine. So that's where the session selector comes very handy. So let's open a new tab for this URL, this my telescope application, right? And then right, so actually I'm doing it in another monitor, you can see them. Then I can see a new, actually I'm getting a new one, so I can do some activities on that tab, and I can see the data rendered on this screen. So that's the usefulness of a selector, and you can select between those two. So that's it, and I think Kadira Debug will help you to find out problems and in your application and try to improve it. Thank you.